Hello guys, and welcome back to my Premiere Pro Masterclass. In this video, I'm going to show you how to export videos in Adobe Premiere Pro. Now let's assume that these are clips that I'm done editing with and I would like to export it from Adobe Premiere Pro. The first thing you need to do is to set your in and out points. To do that, move your time indicator to where you want your video to end and hit O on your keyboard. Otherwise, the Premiere Pro can export your video and export these black sections over here. Now once you're done, come over to this top left section over here and select File, scroll down and select Export and select Media. Alternatively, you can hit Ctrl+M on your keyboard and this dialog window will appear. The next thing you need to do is to come over here and give your file a name. I'm going to call this Premiere Pro Export. And come over here and give it a location. Select the blue text over here. Do not export to the desktop because files can easily get missing. I'm going to select Documents over here and hit Save. Next, under Presets over here, select the arrow drop down and you can select High Quality 1080p, High Definition, or you can select any of these sections over here. If you select 4K, this is for 4K videos. It's going to export with higher video size. If you did not shoot your video at 4K, I would not recommend you select this because it's not going to increase the video quality. It's just going to increase the video size. For example, right now you can see this video at 153 MB. If I come over here and select 4K, you'll notice that it has gone up to 605 MB. This does not increase the video quality, it only increases the video file size. So I'm going to come over here and select High Quality 1080p. But if you want something smaller than this, you can scroll down and select either High Quality 720 HD or High Quality 480p SD wide. But note that with these lower qualities, it's going to reduce the file size and it's going to also reduce the video quality. You can also select from Match Source Adaptive High Bitrate, Adaptive Low Bitrate, or Adaptive Medium Bitrate. Once you are done, select the Video tab over here and scroll down. If you are exporting a horizontal or landscape video, leave it at Full HD 1920 by 1080. If you shot your video at 4K, you can come over here and select 4K settings or Ultra HD 3840 2160. But because this video was shot at 1920 by 1080, I'm going to leave it at 1920 by 1080 over here. Next, you need to come down over here and select Render at maximum depth and use maximum render quality to get the best quality for your export and scroll down. But if you want to reduce the file size, you do not want to export with so much file size, you can come over here to the bitrate settings and reduce the target bitrate to 10 over here. And you will notice that this will change from 153. If I select somewhere else now to 10, it comes down to 77 MB over here. Lastly, in your settings over here, if you come over to General over here, you can check if you want it to be imported into Premiere Pro as a project. A copy of this export will be imported into Premiere Pro. And once you are done and satisfied with these settings, come over to Export over here and select Export, and automatically Premiere Pro is going to export your video into your PC. And if you come over to the folder where you selected, I selected Document over here, you can see the video that has been exported. This is Premiere Pro Export. And that's it guys on how to export videos in Premiere Pro.